In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts, colors, and styles. We'll work inside Google Sheets and make your data easier to read and more professional by adjusting the font size, and the text color. I'll keep it simple, show you exactly where to click, and share a few helpful tips so you can format with confidence. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure you're on the correct tab and that you can see the toolbar at the top of the page. If your sheet is new or untitled, that's fine. The process is exactly the same. It's helpful to zoom your browser to a comfortable level so the toolbar labels and icons are easy to see while you work. Next, highlight the cells you want to format, click and drag across a single cell, a range, or an entire area of your sheet. You can select a whole column by clicking its letter at the top, or an entire row by clicking its number on the left. If you need to select non-adjacent areas, hold Command on a Mac or Control on Windows while clicking. Everything you apply next will affect only the selection, so take a second to verify the highlight is exactly where you want it. Now choose your font and font size. At the top toolbar, click the font drop-down to pick a typeface. As a best practice, choose a clean, readable font for most data and reserve decorative fonts for headers. Right next to it, open the size drop-down and pick a size that fits your content. Larger sizes work well for headings. Smaller, consistent sizes are ideal for data rows. If your text wraps or gets cut off, you can adjust the column width later, but start by choosing a size that looks balanced across your selection. Consistency here helps your sheet feel organized and intentional. Finally, set the text color. Click the text color icon. It looks like a capital A with a color bar underneath, and select a color from the palette. Theme colors help you stay consistent, while custom colors let you match brand guidelines. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability. Dark text on a light background is usually safest. Remember, text color is different from cell fill color, so you're changing the letters themselves, not the cell's background. If you decide a color is too bright or too faint, just open the color menu again and pick a better option. That's it. Open your sheet, select the cells, choose your font and size, then set a clear, readable text color. With these simple changes, your data becomes easier to scan, more accessible, and much more polished.